My name is BJ Winslow, and I'm one of the owners, one of the artists of Dapper Cadaver. We do props for haunted houses and amusement parks, film and television. We also do stuff for rescue and medical training. So basically everybody who needs dead bodies.
Realistic dead bodies.
Realistic dead bodies, yes. So,
That's really awesome. So what are some of the new 2026 featured items here at TransWorld that people should see?
So this is one of our hottest items. It's our Burning Jamie. She's got multiple colors of flickering flame lights inside of her, and she looks fantastic in a darker environment.
Yeah, I'm sure. Light doesn't do the justice.
Light doesn't do it justice. It still is great, but here's a shot of her in a darker room, more like haunt-style lighting, like her torso glows. And then she comes with connections for a smoke machine, or can be ordered with the optional smoke machine. And yes, she smokes.
Wow, that's
she
really
is
cool.
smoking hot.
So what's Burning Jamie's story?
I've been doing burn bodies forever. And like I said, I've done stuff for fire department training, rescue training, movies and televisions. We did the burn bodies for the 3 Billboards movie was one that we did. And one thing is a regular burn body is pretty dark.
Yeah.
And so I wanted to do something where we're still making our very cool, very realistic burn bodies, but something with the color and the light and the action, the dynamism.
Really getting the essence of somebody burning.
For a haunt, a more interactive experience. So hooking up with the lights and the smoke. Yes.
Very amazing.
Yep, and then we also do blacklight stuff. And one of the things, here we go. One of the things with our blacklight stuff, actually this is our little blacklight tent, but what I want to show is over here. Oh yeah, this is our new org, some scarecrow type people. Is when I do blacklight stuff, I really build it into the design. We do glow in the dark rubber, so it even glows after the lights are completely out. And that helps to keep the intensity up. And we make our stuff so that you also don't have to have it in a dark zone. It's a good looking prop. This could be in any sort of monster maze. Same with the creature from the Black Lagoon here, Murky. And then you can use black lights as something to
that enhances the color.
Yeah, to give it enhancements, to give it points of interest. You could do something where, for example, we also do blacklight gore.
Oh, okay.
So regular gory body in a blood dripping frame. This is our Blood Eagle Oscar, and it's a gory body, perfect for any bloody haunt, but you can also throw a black light on it as a way of drawing attention or kill the lights.
These are versatile
and then
bodies.
They see a dead body, and then next all they see is the gore glowing in the room.
That is awesome. So, I wouldn't have known that until you showed me with the black light.
And that's the thing. So it's like, that's something I like giving people the options. Another thing, actually, here, I'm holding this, is we do, most of our bodies have an optional ball joint for the arm. So you can have an arm that your actors or mechanisms can interact with, but then also you can tighten that up.
Oh, so it's posable.
So it is fully posable and can even maintain gravity-defying poses.
Oh, nice.
It also, even better, makes changing out the arms super easy. Because then you just unscrew the little turn bolt, pop the arm out, and you can pop a different arm in. A new arm, a different arm, whatever you need.
That is really cool. That's awesome.
I do want to let you know one other great feature that we do is all of our skin tones are built into the rubber. They're a tint that goes into the casting rubber. So the base skin tone is not something that can ever crack, peel, chip, or rub off.
Oh, that's great.
All we're painting is the details, the shading, the highlights. So this color here, that's the color of the rubber.
Wow.
And that's going nowhere.
Oh, that's cool. That's good to know.
So high durability,
so you know it's going to last for a long time. Yeah.
Exactly.
Sweet.
Easy to fix. They're also urethane as opposed to latex, which is heat resistant, cold resistant, water resistant. You don't want to leave it out in a flood or something.
Everything covered.
Yes.
That's great.
Yep.
Where can people find you?
People can find us online at dappercadaver.com.
Okay, awesome.
We have a shop where we sell things, and that's our workshop where we make all of this stuff in Madison, Wisconsin.
Madison, Wisconsin.
Midwest.
Cool. Awesome.
And then we're also on Facebook and Instagram, so you can look for us there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And do y'all ship worldwide?
We ship worldwide. We ship all over the country, all over the world. We've shipped to Singapore, London, Perth, Australia, the most remote spot on Earth.
Thank you for your time. This was great. Thank you for showing us all your cool items. And yeah, you guys should check out Dapper Cadaver. We're here at TransWorld Halloween.